This is the SEBO Felix Pet vacuum, and here is what it comes with inside the box. The Felix Pet comes with a combi head as well as a turbo brush. There is a set of onboard tools included. The crevice nozzle, which can be used for hard to reach areas, as well as an upholstery tool which is perfect for use on sofas, stairs and upholstery. These can be stored on board the vacuum using the clamp. There is the main body and the ET power head along with the hose. Lastly, it includes a SEBO manual and a guide along with warranty information.